in your run screens, you're going to go back home, go to diagnostics, scroll down on the bottom until you get to RDI, hit RDI. It's searching for the 138 satellite. So we need to go over, till you get to configuration, then down, we'll go to GPS configuration, click over, till you get to DGPS config. Then you want to start going down, 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 until you get to SBAS Sats. Once you get to there, you're going to hit the over button, and you want to make sure your AORE is disabled. So it is on here. So you go down until you get to 138. So 138 set to auto heat. So you want to click the right arrow, go down until you get to disabled. Once you get to disabled, you hit enter. Then it'll bring you back to the screen here. So you want to hit down. Oh, sorry. You want to hit over until you get to AORE, flashing again. You want to go down until you get to the 135. So 135 is currently set to disabled. So hit over. You want to set that to heat health. Once it's into heat health, hit enter. And then go back to escape, escape, escape. Once you get back to the screen, if it says WAAS 135 search, that means it's looking for the 135, and everything should be working good.